So here I am on the home page of my free Canva account. On this home page, I could see the designs that I've created. I could also go to all your designs to see all the designs that I've created. And I could go to photos to find free and paid photos that I can use for my designs. So let's take a look at the photos page just to get an idea of the type of photos that you can access. Okay, there's a search engine here for photos. And let's just scroll down here. And these with a dollar sign are not free, you have to pay for them. This one I find interesting actually. You could also look through categories of different types of photos. So for example, we could go to the nature. A lot of these so far are free. And if we go down the menu bar to brand kit, this is where you can set your brand's colors, logos, and fonts. And once you've set up your brand kit, the colors and the fonts that you chose will be the default settings for all the designs that you and your team members create. And this will give you a consistent look for your brand and company. Now, if you want some design video tutorials, you can go to Design School. And if you want to allow others to have access to your account, you could go here, create a team, and you could let your employees, co-workers, other students, if you go to school, have access to Canva, and you guys will be able to share your designs and folders. And the folders could be set up here, and the designs that are shared with you, you can see here. And if you want to go ahead and create design, you just click on Create a Design.